counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy, we out here today. Just got off work at the shop. Talked to the homie Ryan. Told me to bring the trailer. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it. He said any day I can bring it this week, but he gonna get it this weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down there today. Today is Tuesday. And hopefully I'll be picking it up Saturday or Sunday. He gonna buy the supplies. He already told me my labor price. He's just gonna give me the receipt. He gonna give me the receipt. Yes, sir. So, about to get the fresh wood on the trailer, man. So y'all already know what that means. I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and paint this joint. I might go ahead and paint it, man. Gonna have that fresh wood. See how this all yellow. That paint coming off of there from years of wear. Paint everything back black. Yep. So that's what we about to do. We about to hook up to this joint. I just unhooked the big trailer. I hadn't even unhooked the big trailer. So I got to stop by the gas station because the light on, gas light on. Boy, I came right to the house yesterday. So I know I got enough gas to make it to the make it up there to Murphy's. And we finna go drop it off, man. Gonna have that fresh wood when y'all see it, man. So I was just updating y'all on that, letting y'all know. Cause next time y'all see it probably gonna have the good wood on it, the new wood on it. Be like, man, when you got that done? So I'm just letting y'all know. Boss lady gonna ride with me, so we probably trip a little bit on the way down there or something. I don't know. So, but keep it locked though. 78 Chevy boy, new wood on the little trailer, man. New wood on the little trailer. Let's get it. 7-8 Chevy boy. Yeah, man. Y'all see it. Told y'all I was gonna get it done, man. My guy took care of me. Down here picking it up right now. Man. Got that thing looking good. He said he cut that off, replaced the boards, and welded that back in. Easy peasy, man. Yes, sir. Now I gotta know. My boy Jonas say he be putting oil on his. He'll coat it with some oil. So that's what I might do. Coat it with some oil, man, just to preserve it. I should have asked him what he think about it. I'm gonna ask him right quick, man, before he pull off. But yeah, y'all see it, man. Fresh new wood, man. Told you 7-8 Chevy boy. Just gotta take my time. I'm gonna get things done. Man. Now I'm gonna paint it. Now I'm finna paint that junk. Let's get it, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. All right. Yeah, man. We back at the house. Got a little baby put up. You know what I'm saying? It's that fresh flow. Got that fresh flow in that thing, man. Yes, sir. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up. What my guy said he just used on his trailers and stuff. For now, I'm gonna I'm just gonna pressure wash this joint. And I bought this right here. He said he used this. It's professional Rust-Oleum. Professional high performance enamel, 15-minute fast dry, any angle spray, tough enough for industrial applications, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pressure wash my trailer real good. You know, hit it with some degreaser, pressure wash it. Man, take my time and just coat the whole thing, man. If it turn out good with that, I'm gonna do the same thing with my big trailer. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing with my big trailer, man. So that's my next project. I don't know what all I gotta do tomorrow. Might start on it tomorrow. I might. But if it turn out good, I'm gonna do that on that one, man. I'm gonna show y'all a couple more things he did for me. Like right here, I don't know if y'all remember when I bent the neck of my trailer, the jack. I had bent that joint and it was going back. That joint was back like that. So he bent it back. Of course, it's going a little bit to the front a little bit, but that's better than having it going back, man. He told me, like, man, once I bent it back, you know, it's leaning forward a little bit. But what he did, he said when he bent it, he said this part here, you know, when he did put it back in place, it buckled a little bit, so he re-welded it. That's what he does, fabrications and stuff, man. He re-welded it and just spray painted a little paint back on it black. But he also saw where my fender was cracked on this side, and he welded my fender back together right here. You know, he bent it back, welded it, and just ran a little flat paint over it, man. Just make it look, I guess it was something that was irritating him, because I didn't even mention that to him, you know, to do. So I guess it was something that was irritating him, man. You know how certain people are, fabricators, stuff like that. So certain people be picky about certain things, man. But yeah, he laid that wood in there, man. Laid that wood in there good. So what we gonna do next? Like I said, I think I'm gonna coat that joint too. I got plenty of oil over there. Damn, I just went and dumped that oil too. I think I still got the oil from Cayenne oil over there. I seen some people, man, get a mop and just, man, pour oil on that joint, spread it with the mop, man. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look it up on YouTube and on ChatGPT and stuff again before I do it. But my boy Jonas said he does do that. He does do that, man. But yeah, I bought 3 cans of this. Them 3 cans should take care of this trailer. You know what I'm saying? It's a high output tip, faster, 50% faster coverage. So I'm thinking 3 cans will cover this. If not, I'll just go buy some more. And these are bigger cans, bigger than your regular can. This is a 15 ounce. This is a 15 ounce right here. So That's it, man. As far as that, got the little trailer squared away. Tires still good on the little trailer, man. Man, we good. I gotta clear off that spot and you know, down there clean that mud off where the tire sits, because it's actually sitting on a brick. It's not sitting in the mud. It's sitting on a brick, man. So we all good, man. 78 Chevy boy. 78 Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. All right. Yeah, man. So we good. We good on that. Tomorrow, I know I'm gonna get up, cut my grass. So I'm gonna go ride my bike in the morning first. Go ride my bike. Do me between 8 and 10 miles in the morning, man. Knock that out. Come back, mow the yard, get some stuff taken care of. And shoot, ain't no telling what else I'm gonna mess around with. I need to hang some hooks in the shed. So I'm gonna start hanging my spray bottles. I'm gonna start hanging them joints on hooks. Cause I got all different kind of spray bottles for different things, man. Bug spray, degreaser. I'm gonna put some pine sol in one. What I got? Fly spray. I got all kind of stuff, man. So instead of having them joints just on the floor, I'm gonna hang them up. I'm gonna put some hooks up, start hanging them up in there, and cutting me some little slats, some little shelves. Cut my 2x4s now to put in between the slats in the storage. I'm gonna put some shelves in there just so I can put my spray cans, just small stuff I can put up on them shelves, man. I'm gonna put me plenty of them up in there and do it like that, man. I need to hit up, hey Siri, text Bobby Appearance Pros. What's up, Bobby? When do you think you'll be able to come and put that shelf up for me? Yeah. He gonna add that the other shelf. You know, I got 2 shelves on the side in the storage. We're gonna put one right there in the back. I'm gonna drop down my weed eater and my blower. I'm gonna drop it down and get him put another shelf up there, man. Cause we stocked up on our paper towels and tissue, stuff like that, plates, carry out, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that other shelf up because we finna start stocking up on our like laundry detergent, you know, Lysol, Dawn, dish detergents. It's all like household stuff. And so I'm gonna put that stuff up on the shelf too, man. But I ain't gonna keep on rambling, man. Just a little short video. Show y'all we got the trailer done. And I'm satisfied, very satisfied with it, man. So y'all keep it locked. Finna go ahead and grub a little bit. 78 Chevy boy, stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. Remember the 5 rules. Keep God first, treat people right, get you some money, live within your means, man, and mind your business, man. 78 Chevy boy, we up out of here connecting, never competing. It's a movement, not a moment. Remember that. All right.